The best part about the compostables is on the disposal side. How do you get rid of them? How do you deal with them after your use is done? It's very simple. They simply can just go into the green bin that's part of your municipality, or they can go into your home compost. Not 100% recommended all the time in Canada just because of our winters. You know, anything that freezes is not going to compost, just like any other organic matter. But they work beautifully as organic waste collectors. So if you've got a little container beside your sink that you're using to collect your food scraps and any of your organic waste, just use that as your can liner instead and tie it up and toss it in the green bin. That's all there is to it. They are phenomenal and they will break down just like everything else that goes into that green bin.